Have I made anything epic today? I don't think I have. Ready? Go. All right, there we go. Got it. Looking good. Looking good. So, when shooting this type of stuff, like when you're shooting masking type videos like this, whenever you're masking subjects, you need to make sure there's a good, you need to make sure that you're not too close. Okay, so when you're composing cinematic shots, you want to look for lines. That's one of the things that I look for when I'm looking for composition. So looking at this shot of the road here, it looks really pleasing to the eye. Why is it pleasing to the eye? Because it draws your eyes in. So if you're looking to the right here, you can see the road. There's a line going all the way to the right, and it's leading away from the camera. It gives your subject, your eyes, something to look for and to follow all the way down. Whereas as well in this shot, you got the top of the tree line up. You got the top of the tree line up here, and if you can see that it there's not an exact line, but you can see that it's pretty even up there, going all the way across. Those types of things will take your composition to the next level. If you're looking to compose things, look for leading lines. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Later.